today on Get Your Mind Right. Acting your age. I know that many of you have heard people say 40 is the new 30 or 50 is the new 40. But I am here today to tell you that 40 is still 40 and 50 is still 50. Presently, we have a generation of adults who are refusing to grow up. They like to wear the same clothing styles that their children wear. They like to wear the same hairstyles. They listen to the same music that their children enjoy. The Bible warns us against this foolishness. The verse reads, "When I was a child, I spoke as a child. I thought like a child. I reasoned like a child. When I became a man, I gave up childish ways." We must give future generations a blueprint to follow. Children cannot lead children. It is our responsibility as adults to provide wisdom and guidance, not become their party buddies. As an adult, we should all strive to be examples of manhood and womanhood. Adults make sacrifices for their families. Children only think about themselves and what they want. Adults are at home at night with their families, not closing down the clubs. Adults treat others with respect and kindness. Children are trying to win popularity contests. Adults are always talking about the inappropriate behavior we see displayed and observed in children and young adults. But we forget as adults, we are in charge, and children are following our example. If we want better children and better young adults, we are going to, as adults, we are going to, have to, must act our age as adults by being responsible, caring, and mature adults. So let us all, as adults, act our age and give our children and young adults a roadmap into womanhood and manhood.